The first book I wrote is called Dreams of Awakening, and it came out in 2013. So I wrote this book in my 20s, and it's a very thorough exploration of lucid dreaming within the context of the spiritual path. Very thorough. So if you want a real deep dive into lucid dreaming, then it's a very cool book to check out. More recently, though, we published a second edition. So what's the difference between the two? Essentially, this one, 10-year anniversary, second edition, I got to correct any of the mistakes that I'd made in the first edition. I took some stuff out that I no longer resonated with, and I added loads of new stuff in. So this new version has got stuff like using lucid dreaming for inner child healing, using lucid dreaming to work with depression, to work with grief. It's also got a lot of the dream yoga stuff that I either didn't know about or didn't feel confident enough to include in the first edition. So this is fully updated and revised. It's not that working with the inner child, working with depression, working with grief, the dream yoga stuff didn't exist when I wrote the first edition. It just, I didn't really know about it. I hadn't practiced it myself, and I could only really write what I knew about. Whereas this one has got like 10 years of life experience in it since I wrote this one. So I'm very happy with this. I was able to include a lot of the stuff that I had missed in the first edition, and also update all the science, because there's been so much scientific stuff, scientific research that's happened in the last 10 years as well. So this is the new second edition of Dreams of Awakening. This is like my kind of big deep dive into lucid dreaming. So whereas Lucid Dreaming Made Easy is like a dummy's guide, this one is like a full-on journey into lucid dreaming and the deeper aspects of it. So enjoy.